Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, I am Muhammad Dasuki Saha, librarian from University Putra Malaysia. Would like to present the paper entitled Entrepreneurial Leadership and Dynamic Capability for Knowledge-Driven Innovation in Academic Library. So this paper present for the 7th International Research Conference and Humanities, Social Science and Technology 2025. Thank you for the organizer for invited us for this conference. So there are another two author for this paper, which is Al Bakri Muhammad and Dr. Hazal Sari from Universiti Teknologi Mara, Cawangan Negeri Sembilan, Kampus Rembau. So for the introduction, this paper maps and conceptually analyze the integration of entrepreneurial leadership (EL), dynamic capability (DC), and the knowledge-based view (KBV) as driver of innovation and strategic renewal in academic library, with a focus on Malaysian higher education. This paper synthesized earlier seminar work and incorporate insight from the bibliometric mapping over 80 Scopus Index publication from 2020 until 2024. So this paper was viewed as the apply to visualize the co-authorship network, thematic cluster and citation linkage, while thematic coding identify the theoretical, conceptual and also the competency gap. So for the literature review, entrepreneurial leadership is defined as a proactive, opportunity-driven and innovation-oriented approach adopted by academic library leaders to navigate institutional complexity and also the drive meaningful change. It involves developing new organizational structure, creating innovative services, and fostering partnership that enhance the library strategic role within the university ecosystem. So entrepreneurial leadership emphasizes the capacity of the recognize opportunity, take calculative risk, and mobilize resources for innovation. So for this study, we use the methodology which is bibliometry combined with conceptual, synthesized, seminal and recent literature to propose the integrated EL, DC and KBP framework for the Malaysian academic library over the period. Bibliometric analysis was selected because peer review showed that research on entrepreneurial leadership, dynamic capability and knowledge-based view in academic library context is fragmented with a limited integration across theoretical perspective and geography. Unlike traditional systematic review or meta-analysis, bibliometric method provide both descriptive and network level insight, capturing the publication trend, influential contributor, thematic cluster and collaboration network in way that manual review alone cannot be achieved. So for the bibliometric study, we followed Prisma, preferred reporting item for systematic review and meta-analysis, and we use VOS Viewer as the software for the bibliometry. So for the finding, the first finding is the annual publication output and entrepreneurial leadership and library. So the most document count we found in 2020 and 2024, which is 20 document count in that year, and followed by 2020 is 19 document, and 2022 is 12, and 2023 is 9. Then the figure 3 you can see here is the author citation network visualization. So you can see among the networking between the author. So the next is co-authorship, the institution among the entrepreneurial leadership and library research, you can see that uh, among the institution network. And then the table 5 is the top cited sources. The most cited sources, which is Journal of Academic Librarianship, which is 5 document, then followed by Journal of Business and Finance Librarianship, which is 2, and the others will be 1. And the table 6 present the most cited sources in entrepreneurial leadership and library research. The most significant author will be Gupta V. Rubalcaba, which is the paper titled University Library as an Open Innovation Partner, Harnessing Hidden Potential to Foster Global Entrepreneurship. I attract more citation, which is 33, that published in the Journal of Academic Librarianship 2022. Then follow the same author Gupta, that titled Social Networking Site Adoption among Entrepreneurial Librarianship Leverage for Globalization Startup Business Operation, which is published by Library High Tech 2024. And then the Finn L. Soje by that title is The Ownership of Digital Infrastructure, Exploring the Development of Software Library in Digital Innovation Cluster. There are 21 cited for this paper. So the next is top keyword for the occurrence at least 2. So the most top keyword will be entrepreneurship, will be 15 occurrence, then followed by innovation, digital library, and entrepreneurial skill, which is 5. Then the others is academic library, university library, service innovation, library services, decision making, also a library. And the next figure will be keyword occurrence by the network visualization, minimum 2 occurrence. They are keyword for use for this we find among the paper. And as the result and discussion, first, the integrative regarding above dataset confirm that entrepreneurial leadership, dynamic capability, and knowledge-based view are each conceptually robust and are rarely brought together within a single empirical grounded framework. And second result is demolition contribution, although increasing visible in recent years, remain thematical constrained by conceptual reality. And barometric pattern indicate that local research often center on digital transformation, service enhancement, and technical innovation, but seldom frame leadership as a strategic driver of institutional transformation. And this thematic positioning reflect governance centralization, public service norm, resources limitation, and which can restrict the application of entrepreneurial and risk leadership behavior. And as the conclusion for this paper, by combining a target bibliometric analysis with a broader conceptual synthesis of similar work, the study revealed that while leadership, capability, and knowledge perspective are each conceptually measured, they remain insufficiently integrated into coherent explanatory model. This analysis advanced understandings by positioning entrepreneurial leadership as a strategy driver, dynamic capability as the operational enabler, and knowledge-based view as a knowledge-based outcome. And this strategy pathway unifies fragmented perspective and demonstrate how leadership intent is translated into knowledge mobilization through capability renewal. The proposed framework deliver a policy relevance blueprint for academic library to embed leadership-driven knowledge-based strategy within their transformation agenda. Okay, that's the seven page is the next page is will be reference. That's all the presentation. Thank you.